From our media participants. Yes, so kindly state your name and news agency.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Kim from Today PH. My question goes to Secretary. Basically, how much, as of today, how much percent of our agencies, from your target, total target, how much percent already of our agencies are, all of the agencies that are compliant already? As of today, how much percent
Hello. Thank you, TGS. Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. So on behalf of the Compliance Monitoring and Evaluation Office, we'd like to inform our residents the compliance that as to the Citizens Charter Code, which more does it mean? Security compliance of RA 11032. We have 10,896 out of 11,286 monitoring agencies. Therefore, we only have 390 po sa mga ahensya kung hindi pa po nagsasabit ng citizen charge. Thank you po.
total target would be how many? From all the agencies nationwide?
That's around po 11,000, we're monitoring right now 11,286 agents. We have very few na lang po.
Alright. My last question is, who mostly are the agencies that are do you have a study or database as to who are the agencies that are mostly has a case in terms of with regards to our case? Thank you.
Thank you. We have referred to the legal department because recently during our Senate budget hearing, we were also asked to submit the 10 most complained agencies. We have also to understand that depending on the number of clients, it does not necessarily mean that just because this is the number one most complained, it is the most efficient. It is really because of the number of your customers or clients. But the good thing about this is that they have also improved by addressing complaints and the problems that have been raised to us. Mabilis po sila mag-shot. As to the exact number, I refer it to our Undersecretary.
Thank you, Secretary. We have to take note of what Secretary said. Even if they are in the list, top 10 complaint agencies, that doesn't mean hindi naman sila talaga efficient. So, because masyado madami na yung complaint sa kanila dahil malaki agency nila, or mas marami nang nakapansin sa kanila, kaya ano po. So, marami sa consider before you can actually tell talagang ang agency. To answer your question, for 2024, agencies, most top one, National Government Agency is LRA, Regional Offices of Registered Deeds. Okay? Second is Social Security System. Third is Food and Drug Administration. Fourth, BIR. Fifth, Philippine Statistics Authority. Number 6, Department of Labor and